It's day 8 in the murder trial of Henry Dinkins. He's the man accused of killing 10-year-old Bresia-Terrell back in 2020.
Today, Detective Evan Obert was back on the stand. He's the officer who interviewed Henry Dinkins after Bresia went missing. News 8 Cena Burns joins us in studio. It's part of our continuing coverage tonight at 6.
Thanks, John. Detective Obert has been the only state's witness on the stand for the last 2 days of this trial. Today, the defense utilized every moment of cross-examination. Take a look.
8:18 a.m.
State prosecutors walking the court through surveillance footage, showing what they believe to be Dinkins' Chevy Impala.
And we went through all these videos, we went through all these pictures.
Only for a long-awaited cross-examination for the defense. Attorney Chad Freeze asking Obert how many different videos law enforcement gathered of the sedan. Obert answering around 150.
Not one of those videos can identify Bresia-Terrell in that Impala. That is correct.
The defense then focusing in on Breasia's brother, DL, who told the court he saw Dinkins shoot Bresia and clean off a bloody machete.
Interviewed him that first time. He never told you he was present for the shooting of his sister, did he? That is correct. In fact, he's never told you ever that he was present for the shooting of his sister, did he? That is correct.
The defense then points out the lack of DNA testing done in their investigation.
Especially if you only tested for blood and the results come back negative for blood, would it not be best practice for a detective in your training and experience to perhaps send that item off again for testing for any sort of DNA?
That is an avenue that probably could have been explored.
But Detective Obert fires back at the defense.
The subject advised he was out looking around for Bresia, and we have video footage of him buying bleach at 7 a.m. in a Clinton Walmart after he emphasizes how this is his daughter, this is his baby, he raised her, and is upset. And you would imagine one would be out looking for her and not purchasing 2 bottles of bleach and also changing articles of clothing by the time he gets to the Davenport police station.
The defense is right. The state has offered no physical evidence that ties this murder to Henry Dinkins. We can assume that is one of the reasons why the state plans on bringing forward over 90 witnesses. At the same time, we can't argue the footage that shows Dinkins purchasing bleach isn't strong circumstantial evidence. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Nina. And a reminder, we are streaming the trial live every day on our website and YouTube page. We also have even more video for you to see on those pages.